Hey guys, Tim here again, one handy guy. In our last episode, you'll remember we downloaded just a picture of that Sinclair gas sign from the internet. We converted it to an SVG file, and then we worked with it on Fusion 360. So in this episode, we're going to go ahead and cut it out, and I'll just intermittently work on it, probably grind it down. Probably won't start painting in this video, but I'll show you the finished product in this video after it's painted. So just sit back and take a look. So we got a few things we're going to do before we begin cutting, and I'll just let you guys watch. Worry about that happening again. Sheets are fairly heavy, weigh about 70 pounds a piece. Looks like you might have a letter or something sticking up right there. Okay, so we got another sheet loaded up. Let's throw our magnet underneath and we'll set our ground up over there. Oop, not gonna be able to reach that. Having all kinds of technical difficulties. My hat's falling off my head, which is holding my camera up, so hey, you guys get to see actual live video of stuff that isn't working right. There we go. We'll connect it right there. Other thing we want to do is measure our steel to the end, make sure we're square. So I'm showing 3 1/4 to the outside of the table. Boy, dead on the money. So we're good to go there. All right, let's change this and start over. That looks to be a good starting point about there, so we're going to make that our 0. And now, I think I might make it just a hair bigger. We could make it a... Let's go ahead. We got plenty of room this time, so let's bump it up a little. Well, I don't know, we'll leave it at the 24. That way I can get 2, possibly 4 out of this sheet. So let's leave it right there. All right, we should be good to start over. We zeroed it out on that axis. Let's go. I'm gonna put on my sun glades so I can get in here where you guys can actually see it. you remember from the video, but me talking about the hole size, you'll remember we set it at 1/4 inch, and then we blew it up. So right now, it looks like we got about 3/8 of an inch on the hole. So we added about 1/8 of an inch to the hole by blowing it up. It doesn't matter, my screws will hold it on the wall just fine right there. Kind of mesmerizing just to watch it work. Some of the things we could point out while it's cutting, the pierce delay right there, half second. That's the time it pierces before the fork head takes off. Alright, so while that's cutting out, I want to show you some of the other signs that I've been working on here in the shop. This is a Texaco sign. I painted the inside green, the stars red. I got to paint these 4 quadrants in white, and that sign will be ready to go. Another sign I'm working on over here is a Mobile 76 sign, and this is going to be pretty simple. So I think it's pretty cool. Letters will be blue, this will be orange, and that's about all there is to that one. I come outside here and show you on the wall some of the other signs that I've made. And you can see I've got signs all around the shop, like this American flag, the tattered flag. But if you step outside, this is the wall I plan to paint, fill up with a bunch more signs. This is my solar well house, and I've already got quite a few signs on it, so I'm probably going to put the Texaco or the Mobile sign right here, or the 76 sign, and then I'm going to start on this wall. So I got a lot of canvas space I got to fill up with these signs. So let's go back in and we'll wait on this to finish up. We're going to be right on the edge of the cutout when it does its final cutout, which is where we want to be. Okay, I don't know if I want to continue just watching this work, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I will come back, take a little video of the completed sign after I grind it down and paint it, so you guys can see how this works out. But I hope all of this helps you go out and make some of your own signs. So again, thank you for watching. Tim here, One Handed Gas. Y'all be good.